All right, today we're gonna put the motor for the Camaro in the back of my Honda because the truck's battery's dead and I'm not gonna buy one because I'm cheap. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna go to bed, and that's gonna be it.
Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Looks nice and spacious in there. Yeah? That'll do it.
Wheel installer.
Yes.
Installed.
Beautiful.
That's why you gotta love GM. Seam threads for a main cap cylinder head. You ever wonder why the engine stand is shaped like this with the skinny leg in the front, the fat leg at the back? It's so it can fit in between the legs of the cherry picker.
Gone here when you planted? Oh. Maybe.
Yes.
You're like the little gremlin dude that rides on the back of my car and gets out and fixes it when we break it. Eat.
You're so handsome.
Look at my needle.
When at first you don't succeed, get a really big stick and try again.
Oh my goodness, I got dark fast.
That fits.
Hot. I don't even know if you can see you. Oh yeah, I can see you.
There you go. We did it. We loaded it. We're all done. Happy. Yay. There's really nothing else interesting that we're going to do today. We're going to go to bed. It's late. So thanks for watching. We will see you tomorrow with hopefully a clean engine block. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.